started with a love for machines. At Banyan Motors, we don't just restore classic cars. We rebuild them from the ground up, with unmatched craftsmanship, precision, and respect for their legacy. We use original parts when they meet our standards. We use the best aftermarket parts when they improve performance. And when nothing on the market is good enough, we engineer our own. We work in Stuttgart, Germany, the birthplace of Porsche and Mercedes-Benz. Not because it's easy, but because it's where these legends were born. When you rebuild history, you start at the source. Every car we take on is stripped to bare metal. Every chassis is repaired, protected, and rebuilt to last for generations. Engines are restored and refined, often upgraded for better performance without losing character. Transmissions, brakes, suspension, re-engineered to deliver reliability and drivability on today's roads. Inside, we elevate every detail. Hand-stitched leather, custom interiors, modern technology discreetly integrated, flawless finishes, no shortcuts, no compromises. Most shops offer repairs. We deliver a complete rebirth, creating machines that look, feel, and drive better than they did when they left the factory. This isn't for everyone. It's for those who understand what true quality means. Banyan Motors, the only name you need to know for classic German car restoration.